Hello everyone, welcome to this beginner friendly crypto trading class. My name is Asis and today we are starting our journey to the world of cryptocurrency trading. Crypto market is one of the fastest growing financial markets in the world. Millions of people are trading and investing in crypto every day. In this presentation, we will learn crypto trading from basic level in very simple English. Do not worry if you are completely new. This session is specially designed for beginners. We will understand what cryptocurrency is, how blockchain works, top cryptocurrencies, wallets, exchanges, trading basics, technical analysis, risk management, and many more important topics. Crypto market works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Unlike stock markets, crypto never sleeps. This market gives more opportunities, but at the same time, it also contains high risk. That is why learning is very important before investing money. Remember one thing carefully: knowledge is the biggest asset in trading. If you understand the market correctly, you can avoid many beginners' mistakes. So, stay focused till the end of this class. Let's begin our crypto journey together. Now, let us understand what exactly crypto is. Crypto is a digital currency. It exists only online. You cannot touch it physically like paper. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency created in 2009. After Bitcoin, thousands of cryptocurrencies were launched. Crypto works using blockchain technology. Blockchain is like a digital record book. Every transaction is stored permanently inside the blockchain. One important thing about cryptocurrency is decentralization. This means no single government, bank, or authority control it completely. Transactions happen directly between people. This is called peer-to-peer transaction. Another important feature is security. Crypto uses advanced cryptography that makes transactions secure and difficult to hack. Crypto is also borderless. You can send money anywhere in the world within minutes. Traditional banking system can take hours or days, especially for international transfers. But crypto transactions are usually much faster. Today, crypto is used for trading, investment, payments, gaming, NFTs, and decentralized finance. But remember, crypto prices are highly volatile. Prices can rise or fall very quickly, so always invest carefully. Now, let's understand blockchain is simple words. Blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrency. Think of a blockchain like a chain of digital blocks. Each block stores transaction information. When someone sends crypto, the transaction starts first. After that, the transaction is broadcast to the network. Now, miners or validators verify the transaction. They check whether the transaction is valid or not. Once verified, the transaction is added into a new block. Then this block comes part of the blockchain permanently. Finally, the transaction gets confirmed. Now let's understand important properties of blockchain. First is immutability. This means records cannot be changed easily once added. Second is transparency. All transactions are visible publicly on blockchain explorers. Third is distribution. Blockchain data is stored on thousands of computers worldwide, so there is no single failure point. Another important concept is consensus. Most network participants must agree before transactions are approved. In Bitcoin, miners solve complex math puzzles. This process is called proof of work. The miner who solves the puzzle first gets rewards in Bitcoin. This system keeps the network secure and decentralized. Blockchain technology is now being used beyond crypto also, like banking, supply chain, healthcare, and digital identity systems. Now let us talk about some top cryptocurrencies. First is Bitcoin, also called BTC. Bitcoin is the first and biggest cryptocurrency in the world. People often call Bitcoin digital gold. Many investors use Bitcoin for long term investment. Second is Ethereum or ETH. Ethereum is much more than a digital currency. It supports smart contracts and decentralized applications. Most DeFi and NFT projects run on Ethereum blockchain. Next is BNB. BNB is the native token of Binance Exchange. It is used for trading fee, discounts, and blockchain transactions. Next is Solana. Solana is famous for high speed transactions and low fees. It can process thousands of transactions per second. Now let's discuss XRP. XRP mainly focuses on fast international payments. Banks and financial companies use Ripple technology for cross border transfers. Next is USDT, also known as Ether. USDT is a stable coin. Its value remains close to 1 US dollar. Traders often use stable coins during market volatility. Each cryptocurrency has different purposes and technology. Some focus on payments, some on smart contracts, and some on decentralized applications. Before investing, always study the projects carefully. Now, let us understand exchanges and wallets. Crypto exchanges are platforms where people buy and sell cryptocurrencies. There are mainly two types of exchanges. First is centralized exchange, also called CEX. Examples include Binance, CoinDCX, and WazirX. These platforms are beginner friendly and easy to use. They provide high liquidity and fast trading, but centralized exchanges require KYC verification. Also, your funds are controlled by the exchange. Second type is decentralized exchange called DEX. Examples include Uniswap and PancakeSwap. DEX allows direct wallet to wallet trading. You control your own funds, but DEX platforms are slightly complex for beginners. Now let's discuss wallets. Wallets are used to store cryptocurrencies safely. Hot wallets stay connected to the internet. Examples are MetaMask and Trust Wallet. These wallets are easy to access but slightly less secure. Cold wallets stay offline. Examples are Laser and Trezor. These are considered very secure for long term storage. Another option is Exchange Wallet. This is the wallet provided by exchanges themselves, very convenient. But you do not control private keys directly. Always remember this famous line, not your keys, not your coins. Security should always be your top priority in crypto. Now let us understand trading fundamentals. First, we will learn order types. Market order means buying or selling instantly at current market price. It is fast, but price may slightly change during execution. Limit order allows you to set your desired buying or selling price. The trade only executes when market reaches that level. Next is stop loss order. This is one of the most important tools in trading. Stop loss automatically exits your trade when price moves against you. It helps protect your capital from large losses. Then comes take profit order. This automatically books your profit when target price is reached. Now let's understand trading styles. Scalping means taking very short trades, sometimes within seconds or minutes. Day trading means opening and closing trades within the same day. Swing trading means holding trades for several days or weeks. Holding means long term investing. Many investors hold Bitcoin and Ethereum for years. Every trading styles has different risk levels. Beginners should start slowly and avoid excessive leverage. Discipline and patience are very important in trading. Trading is not gambling. Professional traders always follow strategy and risk management. Now, let us learn technical analysis basics. Technical analysis means studying charts and indicators to predict market movement. Traders use charts to identify trends, entry points, and exit points. Candlestick charts are most commonly used in crypto trading. This candle shows four things: open price, high price, low price, and close price. Green candle means price increased. Red candle means price decreased. Now let's discuss some important indicators. First is RSI, Relative Strength Index. RSI helps identify overbought and oversold conditions. If RSI goes above 70, market may be overbought. If RSI falls below 30, market may be oversold. Next is MACD. MACD helps identify trend, direction, and momentum. Then comes Bollinger Band. These bands help measure market volatility. Moving averages are also very important. 50 days and 200 days moving averages are widely used by traders. Technical analysis helps traders make better decisions. But remember, no indicator is 100% accurate. Always combine indicators with proper risk management. Now let us discuss the most important topic, risk management. Many beginners focus only on profits, but professional traders focus more on protecting capital. Rule number one is simple: never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Always manage your risk carefully. One popular rule is the 1% rule. This means never risk more than 1 or 2% of your portfolio on a single trade. Diversification is also important. Do not put all your money into one coin. Spread investments across different assets. Always use stop loss orders. Stop loss protects you from emotional decisions during sudden crashes. Now let's understand risk reward ratio. Professional traders often target minimum 1 is a to 2 ratio. That means for every 1 rupees risk, they target at least 2 rupees profit. Another important thing is avoiding FOMO. FOMO means fear of missing out. Many people buy coins emotionally after huge price increases. This often leads to losses. Patience is very important in trading. Dollar cost averaging is also useful for long term investors. This means investing fixed amount regularly. It reduces the impact of volatility over time. Good risk management helps traders survive in the market for long term period. Now let us understand DeFi, NFTs and Web3. DeFi means decentralized finance. It allows financial services without traditional banks. People can lend, borrow, trade, and earn interest using blockchain platforms. Popular DeFi platforms include Aave and Uniswap. Now let's discuss NFTs. NFT stands for non fungible token. NFTs are unique digital assets stored on blockchain. They can represent art, music, gaming items, and collectibles. NFT ownership is verified using blockchain technology. Artists can also earn royalties from future sales. Now let's understand Web3. Web3 is the next generation internet concept. In Web3, users have more ownership and control over data. Blockchain, DeFi, NFTs, and DEOs are important parts of Web3 ecosystems. Many companies and developers are building Web3 applications today. This sector is still growing rapidly. The future of blockchain technology may change many industries worldwide. Now we have reached the final slide. Your crypto journey starts from here. The first step is education. Never enter the market blindly. Always learn before investing money. Second step is starting small. You do not need huge capital in the beginning. Even small amounts can help you learn market behavior. Third step is choosing a trusted exchange and secure wallet. Complete KYC carefully and enable two factor authentication for security. Next, always follow risk management. Protecting capital is more important than making quick profits. Stay updated with market news, global events, and crypto developments. Crypto market changes very fast. Continuous learning is the key to success. And finally, always do your own research. Never blindly follow influencers or social media hype. Remember, crypto trading is highly volatile. Profits are possible, but risks are also very high. Trade responsibly, learn continuously, and stay disciplined. Thank you everyone for watching this presentation. I hope this session helped you understand cryptocurrency trading in simple English. Please like, share, and subscribe to AV Finance Hub for more trading education and market analysis. See you in the next class. Thank you so much.